to Creating with Paola. My loves, I'm so happy to have the Siser Romeo. I was about to say the Julia Romeo because I have the Juliet too, but I have the Romeo now. Thank you to Heat Transfer Warehouse for this amazing opportunity to have this amazing machine. If you are planning to have a Romeo, do not think about it twice. Don't just get it. Just get it. But in this video, I'm gonna give you the reasons why you need a Siser Romeo. Because yes, you need it. You're gonna love it like me. Yes, you will. Stay tuned. So the first reason why you need a Siser Romeo is because you can create big paper craft like this. This is my dream box, and I'm gonna show you how big this is. This is really big. Yes, it's bigger than my face. You can see it right here. And yeah, you can make it as big as you can because it all depends what's the size of the paper, of the cardstock that you're using. Let me tell you something. The cardstock that I used for this crear letters, 3D letters, were from Cricut, okay? Cricut cardstock. But the white part, you can find it on Dollar Tree, you can find it on Family Dollar. If you do not want to spend money on the Cricut cardstock paper, okay, you can go to Dollar Tree. Just go to Dollar Tree and try it, okay? I'm gonna show you why, because this is what I made with Dollar Tree cardstock or poster board, that's how they call it. So I made this gigantic ornament, Christmas ornament, and yeah, I made it with two poster boards, because that's how they call it on Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and Family Dollar, and one yellow poster board, okay? So here you can see made, and it was easy, really easy to make. If you want to know more about it, I'm gonna let all the details down below. The second reason why I love my Romeo, I'm sorry, the second reason why you should get a Romeo, it's because you can have like two machines in one. Since you can move the head from anywhere you like, it's like you can use any size of mat, okay? You can use a big mat, you can use the 12 by 12, you can use the 12 by 24, you can use a small one, because you can also move this, okay? The rollers, you can move the rollers too. It's like having two in one. The third reason is the print and cut. I know you were waiting for it. I'm gonna show you how you can do the print and cut, or how it cuts, okay? I'm gonna show you a real-time print and cut cutting, okay? This is a video that I made for my other channel, Creando con Paola, on how to make keys cut stickers. If you want to check on that, you can. The video is going to be in Spanish. As you can see at the beginning, it was showing a camera. It was reading the lines that you can see on the paper, on the sticker paper. If you see my hand here, I was trying to talk over the video, so if you see the video, you can tell that this is not a speed video. It doesn't have any speed effect, nothing. Like, I'm talking over the video, and right now this is a voiceover because I was speaking in Spanish, but now what I'm just saying is that the machine is really fast. It has a camera that I really love, and the camera avoids for you to make a mistake, and this is really fast. You can see here that it's already done. And yeah, this is one of the reasons you can love Romeo. The fourth thing that I love about the Romeo and the Juliet too, because you can do it on the Juliet. Like most of the things that I'm telling you, you can do it on the Juliet too, okay? But you don't need to be in front of your in front of the machine to press start. You can do it. You can put all your, you know, all your stuff, your mat, your materials here, and then you go to your computer and you press start there. You can also add the settings, the material settings on your computer as well as here. And I love that because I don't have to wait, I don't have to stand up, I don't have to do all of that because I already stand up, I put my material, I go and click send and it's already cut in. Something else, I need to add the fifth thing. Yes, right away. This is fast. You need to be careful because if you are going to record a video while this is cutting, you need to get your phone, you need to have your phone ready. Yes, you do. You need to have your phone ready because this is gonna cut so fast depending on how small or big, you know, it's the design that you're cutting. And yeah, it depends on the size. But you need to be careful because this surprised me a lot. While you're getting your phone, this already cut. While you're getting your phone, you're opening Instagram, this already cut. Already cut. Whatever it did it already. Okay, so you need to be fast because this is faster than you. Now that you know the machine is fast, let me show you something else. This is number 6. I'm gonna use a Siser PSB, a Siser adhesive vinyl, and I like to put the clamp down, and I'm just gonna put it anywhere, it doesn't matter. This machine can cut pretty small letters, whatever you want to cut, but it will cut small. Let me show you. So I'm going to send a hello word to cut here in less than an inch. Okay, I'm gonna do it right now. I have to do it right now, otherwise this is not going to, this is gonna be so fast. You don't need a carpet. You don't need a mat. Okay, you don't need a mat for that. So you already cut. Okay, it did already. And you can, every time you cut, you can have your weed box. Is that how you call it? I'm gonna peel it off right here right now. Why not? Because I want you to see the reality. I want you to see the reality. How perfect this cut, and no damage. Okay, I can keep cleaning because it's just a hello word. It's the hello. I want you to see. So small, like so small. This is less than an inch, and you can make it smaller than that. You can ask yourself, but if you are making paper craft projects, how is the machine able to make this foldable lines? How? Well, the machine do not require an extra tool, okay, to make the foldable lines. Okay, it lets you add the foldable lines as dash lines, and it will cut like that to make the foldable line. Okay, so I want you to see how cool this turned out, and I want you to see that this doesn't look weird. If you think that it will look weird, it won't. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, so this doesn't bother me, it won't bother you either. I'm just saying. There is something that I really love, and you're gonna love too. There is a test cut button here that you can press. Just make sure that you put your material first and then press the test cut. For you to use the test cut, you need to think what type of settings are going to be good for that material. You can see what speed you want and the force. So if there is a material that's not here, okay, for example, paper, okay, cardstock, you're not familiar with that, you can do test cuts. Okay, so you can see if that setting works or not on that material. Okay, always do that before doing your project. Okay, don't make the mistake of making your project and it never cuts. So these are 8 things that you're gonna love about the Siser Romeo. I hope you like this video. These are only little things. There is more, but let me know down below what else do you want to know about Siser Romeo. If you want to get your machine, Siser Romeo, yes, if you want to get this lovely and beautiful machine, get it down below. I'm gonna leave you the link down below so you can take advantage of this beauty, and you're gonna be so happy like me, and you're gonna be so in love like me, because I'm in love. I love my Romeo and I love my Juliet. So I really recommend you this machine. Don't think it twice. Do not think about it. Just get it. You're gonna thank me later. Yes, you will. See you later. My name is Paola Rodriguez. This is Creating with Paola. You can find my other channel, which is in Spanish, Creando con Paola, where I have a lot of content, but in Spanish. So let me know what else you want to know about Siser Romeo, Siser Juliet. I can make a lot of content for you guys. See you later, and Happy New Year. Take care. Bye.